Workshop 1 Vocabulary Quiz. Part 1 is fill in the blank. Use the word bank below to fill in the blanks to match the definitions for 1 through 4. It's very important that you spell these words right or they will be marked wrong. So in our word bank here we have abusive, advocate, dignity, and illiteracy. The state of knowing that you deserve respect. Using violent or cruel words or actions against a person or animal. Number 3, someone who publicly supports a person or cause. Number 4, the inability to read or write. In our next word bank, we have the words rights, tolerance, earn, and forbid. Number 5, the ability to respect other people's beliefs or opinions without criticizing or judging them. 6, things that you can have or do to meet basic needs. 7, to refuse to allow someone to do or have something. 8, to receive money for a job you do. In our next word bank, we have distribute, opposition, organization, and associated. Number 9, a group that is formed for a specific purpose. 10, to give items to other people. 11, a feeling of strong disagreement towards something. 12, to be connected to a person or thing. Okay, in the next word bank, we have announce, appear, achieve, and potential. Number 13, an ability to do something that might be seen in the future. 14, to be seen or start to exist. 15, to share information with other people. 16, to successfully do something. Okay, part 2 is multiple choice. Number 17, school blank you to put your hoods up. Rights, forbids, earns. 18, the lawyer was a blank for the man and tried to clear his name. Organization, potential, advocate. 19, I always blank M&Ms with my grandma because she would give me some every time I used to visit her house. Associate, announce, distribute. 20, I felt blank when I was told I had to give back the toy I won. Abusive, opposition, potential. 21, my mom says I have blank because I would always stand up for kids who got bullied. Illiteracy, rights, dignity. 22, Mrs. Edgett used to blank tickets to students when they did something good in class. Appear, distribute, announce. 23, I blank to the class, today is my birthday. Appeared, distributed, announced. 24, I told my mom she has blank to become a movie star because she can mimic people so well. Tolerance, achieve, potential. 25. My goal for this year is to blank 5 more merit badges in Boy Scouts. Appear, achieve, illiteracy. 26. I show blank towards people who are rude and usually will ignore their behavior. Abusive, tolerance, forbid. 27. People who have their basic blank get things like food, water, and shelter. Potential, illiteracy, rights. 28. Poor countries such as Africa have high numbers of blank in children and adults. Associated, illiteracy, announce. 29. A blank pet owner might not feed it for extended periods of time. Abusive, potential, opposition. Number 30. After working with my dad, I blank enough to buy a new bike. Appeared, forbid, earned. 31. The blank was started by a boy when he was just 12 years old. Associate, organization, potential. And number 32. The paper that went missing, blank on my desk 30 minutes later. Announced, distributed, appeared.